Okay, here we have another question of probability, and this question is from June 2010, paper 1, question 16. According to this question, a bag contains 6 red counters and 4 blue counters. Okay, 6 red, 4 blue. So altogether we have 10 counters. 2 counters are taken from the bag at random without replacement. Without replacement means when we take out one counter, we will not replace it, we will keep it outside, okay, and then we will select the next counter. Now, complete the tree diagram below that represent these events. So, we have 6 red counters are 6 and the blue counters are 4. So, altogether we have 10. Now, if we complete the tree diagram here, the probability of red is 6 upon 10. So the probability of blue will be 4 upon 10. Now, as if the first counter is red and the second one is again red, okay, so it means we will reduce both numerator and denominator, okay. But if the first counter is red and the second counter is blue, so up till now we have not taken any blue counter because the first counter is red. So as we have not taken any blue counter, so all 4 blue counters are there in the bag. So when we take blue counter, it will be 4. But as we have already taken one red counter from the bag, so total will reduce 1. So it will be 4 upon 9. Now, if the first counter is blue, so up till now we have not taken any red counter. So if we are taking the first red counter, in numerator we will write total red counters, but in denominator we will reduce 1. Why? Because the first counter was blue, which we have already taken. So it will be 6 upon 9. Now, if the first counter is blue and again we are taking blue counter, so as we are moving towards the same color, then we will reduce both numerator and denominator. So it will be 3 upon 9. Okay. Now let's see what are they asking in the part. They are saying, expressing your answer as a fraction in its simplest form, calculate the probability that both counters are the same color. Okay. So if both counters are of same color, so we have 2 possible conditions. Maybe the both counters are red, or maybe the both counters are blue. So here how we will take the probability of red and red. This is first condition, or the second condition can be probability of blue and blue. Now let's write these probabilities. The probability of red and red is 6 upon 10 multiplied by 5 upon 9. Then for OR we will write positive sign. The probability of blue is 4 upon 10 and again blue is 3 upon 9. Okay, these two probabilities, 4 upon 10 and 3 upon 9. Now when we simplify this one, it's 6 times 5 is 30. So 30 upon 30 upon 90 plus 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 upon 90. Now when we add these two, because we will have denominator 90, so 30 plus 12, so it will be 40 and 42, so 42 upon 90. And if we simplify it with the table of 2, so 2 times 2 is 4 and 1, then 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now if we simplify it more with the table of 3, 3 7 times 21, 3 1 times 3 and 3 5 times 15. So the answer is 7 upon 15. Okay, so the final answer of this part is 7 upon 15. So we have only one part of this question. In the first part we have already completed the tree diagram, and in the second part they were asking this probability when we have same counters. So we have done this. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.